Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a free account on Squarespace. It's very easy, so stay tuned. Here we are at squarespace.com at its landing site. In here we want to either focus on top right corner or scroll all the way down and just start with a new website, but we want to click on Get Started. In here, you can describe what's your site about. Let's say you are into consulting and maybe education. No, you can go with one. So let's go with consulting. What are your top goals? Let's sell services. Where are you in the process? Collecting information, formalizing idea, turning a project or hobby into business. Let's go and finish. Here we have to pick our couple of options that we want to run with. It's online store, membership, it's blog, scheduling. Let's go with scheduling, and we can pick the template. And let's go with something businessy. And let's go with like this. Start with cloth. Here we can either continue with Google or continue with email. All you have to do, my beloved watchers, you have to fill in your first name, last name, the email address that you want to be catch up on, and then the password. Hit continue, and as you can see, you'll be able to become a free member of Squarespace. Only limitations are at what kind of templates you'll be using, but other than that, it's completely free and it's a great tool. Here you can even have a couple of websites running. At the moment I have 2, so don't worried that you'll be limited in any case. And they have beautiful editor, beautiful options for each and every one of us. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.